Hello there friends, welcome to our channel organized by Darci. Today's video is part 3 in the laundry room reorganization series. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Darci and I do weekly organizational videos here on this channel. I'd love to take you in the laundry room and show you what I'm up to. Come with me. I've just restocked some of the cleaning products here. You saw me put the bleach in a container here. And of course, the distilled white vinegar is in another container. And then the scent booster in another container. And last but by no means least, the baking soda in the 4th container. Let's take a look at some of these cupboards here in the laundry room. First, I have the kitchen Christmas plates, one section. Then we have kitchen towels, and 3rd section has more kitchen towels. So that's on the extreme right. Then right here in the middle, we have some dryer sheets, hand wipes. These are just shoe covers for workmen if they come here and they don't have their own shoe covers for inside the house. So these are just shoe covers if we have extra here. Then I have a little craft area here that I keep glue guns in. And at the very top we have flashlights. Moving over to the other section here, this is where we have some irons in the back, 2 irons to be exact. We have the baking soda, scent booster, vinegar, and bleach here in the containers. And then we have more light bulbs and more light bulbs. So this is right over the washing machine here. And I just keep some extra hand towels here on top of the washing machine just for us to use here in the laundry room. So this is what this section here looks like. Now let's move over to the other section here. So these cupboards here, to the left we have flashlights, middle we have hand wipes, and at the very bottom here we have hair products. Over in the middle section here we have more wipes, some masks, and then these 2 containers at the top are just miscellaneous items, just odds and ends of course. And the last set of cupboards to the right, another miscellaneous area here, and more masks here. So this is an overview of the laundry room, all the top cupboards organized, and I have one more cupboard to organize at the very bottom here, and we'll do that next time. Thank you so much for watching. I am so excited that you took the time this week to watch this video. I hope you're motivated to organize your laundry space as well, perhaps later on this week. If you like organizational videos, I'd love for you to subscribe to this channel for more organizational videos. I look forward to seeing you next week. Next week we'll be doing another area in the laundry room, and I'd love to take you along with me. Again, thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next week. Goodbye, and of course, good luck.